In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at Outlook web app policies, and these will enable us to configure different Outlook web app settings for different user accounts. Previous Exchange versions, the same app settings apply to everyone. With 2010, we can create different policies and assign them to specific users or groups. So what we need to do, just launch up our Exchange Management Console, and then what we'll do from within here, come to Organization Configuration, and then the Client Access. And as you can see, we already have a default policy set up. So I'm going to create a new policy. So right click, new Outlook policy. And in the case of this here, we just need to give it a name. So we'll call it marketing policy. And what we're going to do within this policy here, we're going to decide exactly what we're going to turn off. So what I'm going to do for the marketing users is I'm going to disable their ability to be able to change their password. So we'll click on this, click disable, and click new. Once it's all done, we click finish. We then just right click on the policy and just have a look at the properties. What we'll then do, as we can see, we've got various settings we can put in place. So what we'll do here is we'll just go for public access, and we'll decide that if they are accessing using the public OWA client, then they can't enable any attachments within here. What we'll then do also for private computer, we'll do exactly the same thing. So we'll disable their ability to actually come in here and mess about with any attachments. So click OK at this point here. Then into my recipient configuration, and what we'll do here is we'll just find Paul West's user account. So into Paul West, right click on Paul West, just have a look at his properties. So as we can see, we've got Paul's various mail settings in here, and we can see he is actually marketing. Into mailbox features. On mailbox features, what we want to do here is we just want to give him an Outlook web app property. So we click on Outlook web app, we click on properties, click on the tick box to enable the Outlook web app mailbox policy, click on properties, specify marketing, and click OK. We then click OK, click OK, and that's all done. Next thing we need to do here is just launch up Internet Explorer and log in as Paul, just to see if these policies have actually taken effect. So what we'll do here, just log in as Paul. Sign in. Just come through his regional settings. Click on options. Now we're in here on our settings pane, we can see that there is no ability for Paul to reset his password. So that has worked, and we have tied down Paul. So that's the end of this demonstration.